Apply that pressure. Doesn't stick like saran. Machiavelli, come with me. Hail Mary. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Ant. If you are new around these parts, basically all I do is play in makeup. I like anime, I'm awkward AF, I shop too much, and I like to talk a little shit. If you are interested in any of those things, feel free to hit that subscribe button now and become a beautiful person. Why would you not want to be in this beautiful ass gang? Asking for a friend. If you are not new around these parts, hey boo. So, today's video is inspired by this really beautiful, viral, lit pucker eye makeup look by May. You can blame her, okay? You can blame her. In a good way though, right? Because this look is super cute. So here's the TikTok that came across my page of the look that we're gonna be doing today. I've seen it come up on my page a couple times and all these people killed it, okay? I wanna know if I could kill it. So that's what basically this video is gonna be. So I'm gonna show you the TikTok, then I'm gonna come back with a face and I'm gonna show you the materials that I'm using. Don't laugh. Don't laugh when you see them. Okay, so wasn't that look super freaking cute, right? I've seen a couple of creators on TikTok try and recreate this look and it took them so many tries. And it looked so messy too. It was just red lipstick everywhere. Now, I'm gonna hope and pray that I don't gotta deal with all that nonsense. But you know, I am prone to not get it right the first time or the second, sometimes the third. That's okay though. So in order to get this process ready, of course all the makeup that I use will be listed down in the description box below. But one of the main things that you'll need for this is some kind of saran wrap. I don't have any saran wrap. I don't. I'm sorry, boo. I just don't. But when I tested it and played around with it on my hand, if you follow me on IG, then you see that I posted it on my story as a little hint, wink, wink. I did that with those little bags that you get from the grocery store. You know, the ones that you grab your fruit and your veggies and then you put them in the bag. That's just what I did. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I cut them up in 8 little squares. I'm probably not gonna use that many, but I wanna put 4 kisses on one side and 4 kisses on the other. The lipstick that I'm gonna be using is this Covergirl by Juvia's Place. I think the name and the title of it is so appropriate, so you know, why not? I was gonna use my Revolution Joker red lipstick, but love is not a joke, so we're going with Covergirl. Let's get to it. I'm so excited. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with this applying of the lipstick, and that makes me really nervous. It just gets me really nervous because I don't want to mess this up. I want it to come out perfection. Perfection is a disease. Okay, it really is. Another thing about this process is that I learned you have to be really quick because depending on what kind of lipstick that you use, it could dry really fast and you won't get as much of the product on the paper or on your face when you're trying to transfer it or stamp it wherever you want it to go. And we're gonna take our piece of paper, plasticky looking thing, kiss it like a little pucker like you would a kiss, and place it where you want it to go. And I'm gonna put my first placement on one of these eyeballs. Oh no. That's the thing I was talking about. I let it dry too fast. So let's go ahead and try that again. Ooh. Apply that pressure. Doesn't stick like saran. Okay. Not too bad, not too bad. Let's try and stamp it again. Maybe the next one right here. Yes, my eye is watery. I'm gonna transfer, I'm gonna do it again on another sheet is what I'm trying to say. Good God, man. I don't think there's like a specific technique or like you have to put them in certain places. I feel like it's just wherever you want to put them. Oh, that's cute. Those are lips. You can at least tell that they're lips. Put another one right here. All right, we're getting somewhere. We're doing some things. I feel like a fish when I do that. Over the eye again. Oh, that one was good. That one was so good. You know, this pucker look is a lot of work, man. And there's some ugly lips. Get the top. I'm too lazy to redo, so it is what it is. What a silly thing to say. I'm too lazy to redo. I'm gonna be doing it 2 more times anyway. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So cute. This is a lot of layer of lipstick that I'm just gonna be wiping away later because I'm adding a nude lip. Oh no! Got to keep my lips apart. Move, bonnet. I got 1 more saran left, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use it. Last red lip apply. I know gloss. I know. You probably tired too. We all tired over here. And one right here. Okay. Alrighty, these are the kisses. Now before the lipstick gets too settled on my lips, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it off. This lipstick, not this. Part of me wants to keep it on because I don't want to scrub it all off, but I really want a nude lip. I tell you, that Juvia's place, she don't want to go either. She did a good job though. She came out really beautiful. Really beautiful. Oh my God, and what the hell did you do? It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. It was just 1 spot. It's fine. We're fine. We can just fix it with liner. Nobody'll know. They'll never know. So I noticed that the other thing that she did with these lips on my face right here was that she put some translucent powder on there. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Where the hell is it? Yes, translucent powder. Oh, I forgot this one has a cushion. It's from SheGlam. So I'm just gonna pat. Get my handy dandy brush. And just kind of brush it away. Dabba. Brush it away. Okay, so now that that's on, I actually really like the color of the lipstick. Right here, maybe I could lighten it up or go back in with the lipstick and shade it in, because I've seen some TikTokers do that. They'll go and they'll take the lipstick and they'll tighten it up and make it brighter. But I feel like it looks more realistic when it's faded out. Because you know when you get your grandma kisses, every kiss isn't perfect. But I feel like this is more realistic. So we're just gonna stick with that. Come on, man. I have the perfect lashes that I want to use for this look, so I'm trying to find them. Found them. I think these might work. I think these might be super cute. I like the red and I like the black on them, specifically because we're not done with the eyes anyway. We have to go back in, we gotta do the liner. I'm just gonna act like I didn't forget about that part at all. My lips, my poor lips are screaming for moisturizer right now. I gotta let them bitches starve, because I can't get distracted now. Come on, liner, work with me now. Okay, so you see what we did there? Just added a little wing, nothing too dramatic. We already got a lot going on the face. We don't need to go full out kaboom, you know what I mean? You know what, I'm switching liners. This is not a very good one. I thought it was gonna be good, but it's not sharp enough. Chills. Yo, this liner's pissing me off, man. Who would have known that the most difficult part of this whole process would have been the damn liner? Not I. Not I. Finally satisfied with it after I cleaned it up a little bit. Now we're gonna add the falsies. I really can't believe the eyeliner was the most difficult part of this whole look. I mean, I shouldn't be too surprised though, because it's eyeliner. Okay, so now that I got these lashes on and that are super freaking cute, you can't tell me they're not. I mean, if you do, then you're just, I mean, how can I trust you? Because that's clearly a lie. I'm gonna do my lower lids. I'm going off the rails, I know. Because this is one of the things that I believe that they didn't do, you know, but I want my eyes to be more open, so I'm gonna add white liner onto my watermark. Get on in there. Just a little bit, not much. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my bottom lashes. Oh, honey cha, honey cha. Lashes, lower lashes, for me anyway, it's a test. Every time it's a test. Since I'm pretty happy with the way this looks, I'm gonna go ahead and set my setting spray right now. Smells like coconut. And then we're gonna move on to the lip and wrap this look up. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look of this viral TikTok pucker eye makeup long ass title look. What do you guys think? Personally, I think it's really cute. I really, really like this look. I'm surprised it's not as messy as a lot of other people. You know, they have problems to mess, but you know, like I said in the beginning, it all depends on what kind of lipstick that you're using. I think this look is super cute. Thank you, May. Thank you for this, because this is cute. If you like this video, let me know by hitting that like button. And if you're new around these parts, also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and become a beautiful person and join this beautiful ass gang. Also, don't forget to comment. Let me know what you guys think about this look. Have you seen of it? Have you heard about it? Do you want to try it? Have you tried it? Girl, I'm here for all the tea. Let me know. And I guess I will see you next time, or see you soon. Bye.